Okay, I'm going to make a quick story real fast. I had a ton of breaks coming in from all the snow delayed shipments from last week, and a bunch of guys are waiting on stuff. So if you're watching this video, guys, I'm super sorry, but I checked the tracking on one of them, and somehow it's been delayed again. It shows it's in Greensboro right now, but and that's 2 hours away, or 3 hours away, so it could be here tomorrow, but the tracking says Wednesday. So I owed a bunch of people some 2010 certified and triple threads football and all this, and hands are completely tied. I ordered that last Monday. Should have been here last Wednesday, but weather has really pushed everything back, and it was supposed to be here today, and once again delayed again. So hopefully this week I'll get caught up with all those breaks, guys. I'm sorry for the wait. I emailed everybody though. So anyway, there's my story on that. But I did get one of my shipments in today, and this is a 2008 certified football. Sealed case, certified, and flip. There we go, and flip. Anyway, the first one's for Shane, and he said he used the sword, and he wants one that ends in 4 or 8. And then I got one for Derek, and he wants one that ends in 4 or close to. And then I got two of them are for Mike, and he didn't ask for anything specific. So here we go. Cutting in these things. Zinc. Oh man. Hard to cut into these things with this sword. Alrighty. There's a cube. And they said 4 or 8. So right out of the gate, Shane, you're getting box 68 in this video. Now let me check real fast for Mike. I'm sorry, Derek, he wanted one that ended in 4, if I had it. 1, 21, 25, 6, last one. Nope, no 8s. So I guess I'll just grab the top one here. They were all across the board, but none ended in 4. I'm sorry, you looking for 4. Derek, and let me make sure that Derek, who was looking for 4? Oh yeah, 4, Derek. Yep, Derek, none in it in 4, 6. So here we go. I don't even know what that is. Okay, 86. Bam. So Derek, yours will be 86, man. And then Mike, you wanted 2, so just grab 2. Mike, yours will be 61 and 25. So I'll put those for Mike back here and get these out of the way. And 2 minutes in, after the spiel, the cutting and everything, Shane, here we go, man. Number 8, one that ended in 8. Just checking the notes. I want to make sure I do all this right. Shane, one that ended in 8. 2008, certified. Use the sword. Use Stanley the sword. So here we go. Empty. Right out of the gate, Mr. Joe Flacco. Jersey, number to 250. Base. That's, yep, just a base pack on this one. We got Steve Slayton, blue, number to 100. Here's a triple piece. Jersey, Jerome Simpson, NFL, number to 99. Another standard base pack. Not too many of those in this. Oh wait. Hang on 1 second. Okay, yeah. Saw a blue one shining, and that was that Steve Slayton from earlier. New Generation, Sean Crable, 1500. Number to 250, certified potential, Jamal Charles. Jersey, 250. And a jumbo jersey of Chris Johnson. Numbered to 599. That's weird. Let me make 1, 2. Dang, all of them were relic cards. Usually they'll give you at least one auto. All 4 hits were relics. Just base. Last pack here, Shane, is $9.99. Oh, they gave you an extra hit. Brad Cottom. They did give you an auto. $9.99. And base. Shane, appreciate it, man. As always, I'll get these out today for, well, actually, MLK Day, so I'll drop them today. They'll ship tomorrow. See y'all.